my dear students, welcome back to my lecture. Today's lecture trigonometry for 10th standard and 9th and 10th state board students. See, in previous class we studied about the basic concept of trigonometry, means introduction to trigonometry. And some students asked me how to solve that question number 2 of 2. Question number 2 was like this, here 90 degree and this was unknown angle theta, and this was 6 and this is 8, and actually so no need to write this because we can find out this, you will get 10. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem you can find out this, you will get 10. So that is okay. So now how to find out all trigonometric ratios. First we know that sin theta, in previous class I explained about the basic definitions of sin theta and all the things. What is the definition of sin theta? Yes, P upon B. Is it right? No, it's not P upon B. It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, P upon H. So perpendicular means opposite upon hypotenuse. This is what sin theta. So here this is opposite value and this is adjacent. This is the opposite. This is hypotenuse. What about the value of opposite here? 6 upon, then hypotenuse 10, 6 upon 10. Now you can divide 2 3s are 2 5s are. So this will get 3 upon 5. That means here sin theta is 3 upon 5. Right now? Yes. Similarly you can find out cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent value is 8 upon 10. You can divide 2 4s are 2 5s are. That means here cos theta is 4 upon 5. And similarly you can find out the remaining things. I hope students you understood, so you can continue. You can find out tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and all the things. Remaining you can find out. Okay, now clear now? Yeah. So now today we are going to study the same topic, trigonometry, and see here like some examples. This will be theta, 90 degree, and this will be theta. Like this is 3 and this is 4. Then find out all trigonometric ratios. So we need to find all sin theta, cos theta, on all the things, all trigonometric ratios. See here, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Opposite is given 4, adjacent is given 3, but here hypotenuse is not given. So whenever 90 degrees there here, so here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. First apply Pythagoras. See, I can take this is example 1, and so here question is find all trigonometric ratios, TR, for this figure. To find all trigonometric ratios, here we need hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse, apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem here. So what will happen? You can give the name. So if the names are not there, so you can give ABC. Now AC square, we know that Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is what Pythagoras theorem. Now we have to find AC value here. AC square. So here unknown, we need to find this. AB is given 4 square. BC is given 3 square. So AC square is equal to 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 25, 16 plus 9 is 25, then AC is equal to plus or minus 5. So you can take 5 because plus 5. So now this is the hypotenuse, here 5 is there, hypotenuse 5. Now we can apply all trigonometric ratios. For sin theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is opposite side here? Opposite side of theta, see here 4. Right now 4 upon 5. That means sin theta is 4 upon 5. Similarly cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? In this figure 3 is the adjacent, 3 upon 5. Okay, so cos theta is 3 upon 5. So then tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So what is opposite value here? Opposite is 4, adjacent is 3, 4 upon 3. This is tan theta. So similarly, you can find reciprocal of each. Sin theta is the reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of this, hypotenuse upon opposite means 5 upon 4. Then sec theta, this is the reciprocal of cos. Then cos is there here, adjacent upon hypotenuse, so then that becomes hypotenuse upon adjacent, 5 upon 3. Then cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so 4 upon 3 is there here, then that becomes 3 upon 4. So these are the remaining 3 trigonometric ratios. I hope students understood now. So I will give some examples to solve, then I will go for the next topic. Next, example 2. If one trigonometric ratio is given, like if sin theta is 4 upon 5, sin theta is 4 upon 5, then find all trigonometric ratios. All trigonometric ratios. Find all trigonometric ratios. How to find all trigonometric? See, by the definition of this, sin theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So draw the figure. Draw the figure. You can take any one here. Theta, this is theta. Then sin theta, this is opposite 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Of course, by Pythagorean triplet, you can find out this, or else by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what will happen? Pythagoras theorem. You can take the vertices PQR. Then PR is the hypotenuse here. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Actually, sometimes you can take this ratio as a K. You can solve by taking K also, then that becomes 5K and all. But here it's not required, so you can take as it is here. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Here QR is unknown. You can take this as a X. So I will take this as a X. PR is 5. 5 square. PQ is 4. 4 square plus QR is X square. Now 5 square value is 25. 4 square is 16. Then plus here X square. We need to find this value of X. Take this 16 here. 25 minus 16 is equal to X square. Then what will happen here? To find the X square value, X square is equal to 25. This is not 26, 25. 25 minus 16. What will happen? 9. X square is 9. Then X is equal to plus or minus 9. Square root of 9. Then X is equal to 3. X value is 3. So that means here this is adjacent value. See here, adjacent is there. Adjacent 3. This is 3. Now apply all the things. When sin theta is there, you can find out cosec theta, because cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin. So sin theta, what is given here? Sin theta, see here, sin theta is 4 upon 5. So cosec theta 5 upon 4. Right? Then cos theta, to find the cos theta, adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent we got here, adjacent is 3. Then hypotenuse is 5. 3 upon 5 cos theta. Similarly, tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. In the figure, opposite is 4, adjacent is 3, 4 upon 3, tan theta. Then similarly, cos reciprocal is sec theta, reciprocal of this 5 upon 3. Then here cot reciprocal of this 3 upon 4. I hope students you understood this. So then in the next class we will study about some identities and standard angles. Thank you. See this question, in the following table a ratio is given in each column. Find the remaining 2 ratios in the column and complete the table. You have to complete this table. See here, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are given. In that one ratio will be given. So first one cos theta is given, so you have to find sin theta and tan theta. In second one sin theta is given. Sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61. You have to find cos theta and tan theta. Similarly, in third column, see here, third column, tan theta is given. Tan theta is 1. 1 means what? 1 upon 1. Okay. Then you have to find sin theta and cos theta. Similarly, same thing in fourth column. Sin theta is given. Find cos theta and tan theta. And same thing continue and complete this table and submit this homework tomorrow itself. Thank you.